Greetings, vendors. In today's video, we are going to be going over the morons who tried to steal my machine. I will be showing it all the way up to the point where they turn the cameras away. As you can tell, they're wearing masks, and they well thought this out. The one that is over by the machine itself is trying to get into the power box to unplug the machine. Never said they were bright, but enjoy the video. Leave your comments down below. And if you by chance do know where this is and know these individuals, please let me know, or your local police department. Would appreciate any help. Yeah, they got it unplugged. And this guy's pulling out an appliance dolly to try and get it so they can load it up. So as bad as it is, these guys came prepared. Something's got them spooked. But neither one of them could tip it over to get it onto the appliance dolly. And they didn't give it, they gave it a good effort, like the old college try, but doesn't pay out too well. So if this doesn't work, let's try something else. He's trying. Just doesn't have enough strength. I just don't get why somebody would try to steal an entire machine. If anybody has a reason why, I would be more than happy to hear it. Leave your comments down below. If you're liking vending-related content, don't forget to smash that like button, hit the subscribe and the bell notification to see more videos like this in the future. It looks like somebody drove by and spooked him again. Okay, so the appliance dolly's not working. And they can't move it. What are they up to next? Yeah, this is a late model, like 2000 to 2005 Chevy Silverado Z71. And it's either a dually or a step side due to the fender flares. and it's either gold, silver, or white. Let's see what they can do. Takes 2 of them to tip it over. Oh, no, wait, we got to back the truck up some more. It's not close enough. This is one of those, hey, buddy, hold my beer moments. Not obviously well thought through or well executed. But it would be nice. Oh, wait, we moved the truck too far back. Got to go move the truck again. Let's just make a little bit and more noise. Let's see if we can wake the neighborhood. Move the truck forward just a little bit, right about there. You know, I don't wish ill on anybody, but these guys kind of deserve it. And there goes the fence. With them going into it. At this point, they start rethinking their decisions. And oh, wait, we're being recorded. So let's just go knock out those cameras. For more vending related content, like and subscribe. Have a great day, everyone.